letter M, and the M says Two of my pictures starts with the sound, but one of my picture words is a silly nilly and doesn't belong in this group of words. Can you help me figure it out? Let's look at the picture cards. We have a mug. We have a mop. And we have a pig. Silly nilly, which one's out? Silly nilly, which one's out? Silly nilly, which one's out? Let's see what it's all about. All right, we have a mug, we have a mop, and we have a pig. Uh-oh. Pig is the silly nilly word and doesn't belong in my group. All right, let's shuffle up our cards and try this one more time. Let's see. I have a map, a box, and a mug. Silly nilly, which one's out? Silly nilly, which one's out? Silly nilly, which one's out? Let's see what it's all about. All right, let's take a look. We have a map. We have a box. And we have a mug. Which word is the silly nilly? If you said box, thumbs up. And if you guessed another one, that's okay because we're here to learn. And that's a part of learning. Not a problem at all. But if you said box, that is the correct answer. Box starts with the b sound. And I was looking for words that start with the sound, like map and mug. Excellent work. All right. I'll see you in just a moment when we continue with our learning. Let's get ready to spell first words by listening to our sounds today and listening for the at the beginning and ending of our words. If we hear the we're going to get to write it in the box. Let's get going. My first word is ham. Let's listen to it on our chin. Ham. Now, let's take our cubes and listen to the sounds in our boxes. Get out your reading finger. Ham. Ooh, did you hear the at the end? I heard the at the end, so I'm going to take that cube right off and I get to write the letter M because I know that's the letter that goes with the sound ham. All right, let's get our board ready for another one. Get my cubes all set. My next word is jam. Let's listen to the sounds on our chin. Jam. Okay, get out our cubes. Get out your reading finger. Jam. Ooh, do you hear the at the end of the word? That means I can put the letter M because the M is the letter that goes with the sound jam. Okay, let's try another one. Get my board all ready. My next word is mop. Let's listen to the sounds right on our chin. Mop. So I'm going to get out our cubes. Blended. Mop. where did we hear the sound? Right at the beginning. Op. So I can take off that first Q and I can put an M because that's the letter that goes with the sound op, mop. Now let's get our board ready to do a couple more. Oh, let's see what this one is. Map. Map. Let's get out our cubes. App. Blend it. Map. I heard the in the first box, so I can take that cube off and I can write the letter M because that's the letter that goes with the app. Map. All right, last one. Let's try one more. I have a mug. Let's listen to the sounds on our chin. G. Mug. Okay, get out our cubes. If you have cubes, you can follow along, or Legos or any other item. If not, just follow along and watch the board here, and it will just be just as good. All right. G. G. Mug. Where did I hear that? I heard it at the beginning, so I can take that one off and write the letter M at the beginning. Okay. Mug. Thumbs up. I've had so much fun practicing using letters, our letter M, to help us get ready to spell first words. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning powers, one child at a time.